is in there.
No. Oh, check. It's yours.
No, it's not mine. What is that? Is that maybe for your bath too? Everything's been for your bathtub.
It smells very fresh in here.
All right.
There's
Cool.
something else in there.
No, there's a card.
There's a card though.
Can you look at this and say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma.
Okay.
Stickers.
Yeah, let me see the stickers. They're snowflakes. They're happy snowflakes.
Look at on the back. Look at on the back.
I saw them.
They's gotta open them.
No, you can open it. I just want to slice that one thing open.
It's a doggy.
No way.
Well,
Yeah, it is. It's a card for me,
From Grandma.
for Grandma. It's a doggy. What's his hat?
Oh boy. What's it say on the inside?
I don't have the
it
inside.
says to a special grandson.
I don't have the inside.
Let's open up and see.
Hurry up, please. Love, Grandma.
That's a nice card. Look at that.